Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. In different video we were removing that rear bumper cover on this 2005 Sequoia. And the reason for that was to assess the damage to the rear of this vehicle. And so far it seems to me that the damage was only made to this backstep reinforcement part, or the plate, or whatever we will call it, right? That main part, which is that strong steel, seems to be undamaged, and this is just twisted upwards, right? Instead of being horizontal the way it's here, right? It's all in both places, it's kind of twisted up, right? And hopefully, I'm hoping I can fix it without replacing this part. My neighbor George from the neighbor unit, he said he has a really big and heavy hammer, way bigger than I have here, and he's willing to smash it for me. I think I'd rather first try to lose these bolts and see if I can repair it or bend it back more a gentle way. And for example, these are side brackets, right? That's not a one piece. It's attached here with these two bolts to this bracket, and the bracket seems to be moved that way, so we'll definitely start right here, loosening those nuts, and look, it's already, this part actually is already nicely horizontal. So I will do immediately the same thing on the opposite side, right? And just crossing fingers. Oh, did you see? It's so twisted. It started correcting itself, right, automatically. So now I have to fix this twist in it, but this part again, it's becoming nicely horizontal, and this is a good progress. Decided to remove the whole part, so I also undo these two bolts on each side. This bracket, nicely separated by the hand. This one is probably twisted, so it didn't want to go. But now I finally can remove the whole part and see the whole damage, right? So in the middle, that's where it's twisted. I put it on the concrete, right? And just stepping it with my heavy weight, right? And those heavy boots, it's already twisting the metal. It's not very strong, it's soft, because as they call it, it's just a step support. And after just a little bit of massaging and stepping on it, bending it, and a little bit of hammering, this back step reinforcement seems to be in the good shape again. I think it's ready to go back in its place. It really starts looking straight, and I think I'm ready to put those brackets back. And obviously the install will be just reverse what I just did, right? So match everything, just temporary installation of those bolts, not tightening it yet, right? Only leaving loose for adjustment, right? I will put those nuts here. Where did I put those? Right here. This all will need to be adjusted. There is a lot of adjustment in this system, so I compared both sides, right? That it's identical. And what do you say? Remember how it was twisted? Not bad for a beginner, don't you think? And that's great because that means that I can start installing back this rear bumper cover and continue enjoying driving this wonderful Sequoia. I hope you have enjoyed this simple video, and please make sure you are subscribed because I have way more Toyota tech coming your way very soon. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day, my friend.